Hi, my name is Freya Alder. I'm a jewellery designer and maker specialising in the use of sheet brass. I spend my days happily running my own business and designing and selling my own jewellery to shops, galleries and to customers via my own website. There's something about the alchemy of turning raw materials into a tangible, wearable product that I find deeply satisfying. My pieces always start life as quick sketches or doodles until I find something that I'm excited about bringing to life in the form of pins, necklaces or earrings. Brass is a wonderful and low-cost material for jewellery making, and it's environmentally sustainable, as it is an alloy typically made from recycled metals. In this Domestika course, you will learn the foundational techniques to design and make your own brass jewellery. For the final project, you will create a brass pin all the way from the first sketches to the final polish. To get started, I will tell you how to best set up your workstation and health and safety practices so we can start creating your pieces. I will explain how to create your own mood board and sketch your jewellery design. I'll show you how to set up your piercing saw properly, along with the drill, and how to use them safely to translate your drawing into brass. We'll then learn how to achieve a professional finish in your cut-out pieces, turn them into wearable jewellery and polish them using minimal equipment. Finally, I'll show you how to add extra decorative elements to customize your design and how to package your pieces and care for them. By the end of this course, you will be able to build your own jewellery making practice and create your own jewellery collection from brass. To follow my steps, you will need brass sheet and jewellery findings, as well as a few tools like pliers, a bench peg, a piercing saw and a drill. You will also need stationery materials and safety goggles. Come with me and create playful, informal and ethical jewellery with brass.